Do you know 40% of our wardrobe is unused? 40%.
Exactly, it's true.
And on Mrs. India, we are doing textile pollution awareness, and unused clothing is one of the biggest problem. And the biggest problem is buying and keeping and not using it. And here is one red-handed. We have caught her red-handed. So, Pratibha,
Yeah.
we bought and forgot program that we are doing on Mrs. India, so in which we are making people to look into their wardrobe and see what is that they have bought and forgot. If they're not using and they're just buying and piling and buying and piling up in their wardrobe. So she was been caught red-handed. So what is your say on this?
It's true, right? We love clothes, and especially nowadays when we are online, there's so many. We're scrolling through and it looks very pretty, and you know it looks good on you, and you buy it. You buy it and you come. Then you have nothing to go. So what you do? You put it in the cupboard. But whenever you're stepping out, you always pick up that cloth which is very comfortable to you, and we wear it. And next time again you see online something is very pretty, you pick it up. Oh, I don't have this color. Oh, this jacket is good. We pick it up and we keep. When do we get the occasion to wear it? We don't get it at all. And okay, when I get the occasion to wear it, some external factor, then I say, no, it's not fitting, and I leave.
Yes.
Or worse with us women, what happens? We are changing shape and size so much. Okay,
It doesn't fit.
It becomes, and it is so beautiful. It becomes too tight or my tummy is visible. Then I say, okay, I'll wear it some other time and I keep. It so happens that a lot of our costumes in our wardrobe just stay stuck there.
Yes.
And yeah, today I got red-handed because I reduced a little. And this is a
And
dress
this
I
is
bought.
looking so gorgeous.
Thank you. This is a dress I think I picked up more than 3.5 years back.
Wow.
And my son.
Can we just have her completely from the top to bottom? Yes.
Okay,
This is one diva, timeless diva.
No, this is perfect fitting, right?
Yeah.
And I put on weight, so it was looking very bad when I was wearing it. And yesterday when I just tried it on and it was looking nice, I said, okay, I'll wear it. But little did I know that I'll get red-handed caught by the Pali saying that, oh, where did you get it? I said, it's 3.5 years back I got it.
And I was like, immediately bought and forgot. Get her. And we'll do a trial. So next time you're not going to buy unnecessarily unless and until it is must. And if at all it is there, make sure that whatever wardrobe you have in your clothing you have in your wardrobe which is unused, at least use it at least 5 times and then think of next one. Because this clothing is just a plastic, it is not going to dissolve.
Fashion clothing is one of the worst polluting industry.
Second polluting industry.
Yeah, so we need to take care of that, and it's our responsibilities, right? So I think we start not just using what we are doing. We recycle, we make a lot of combinations and use, and we look pretty. Right? We look very nice in that.
We restyle. See, I have restyled myself. So restyling, it gives you opportunity to work on your inner talent. And it saves time, saves money, and of course the space and the nature. Its nature is for us.
And a lot of wardrobe space will be remaining.
Yes, wardrobe. You will have a lot of wardrobe space so that your hobbies can have their own space.
Yes.
So on Mrs. India, make sure we are doing this textile pollution awareness. So make sure that you are using your wardrobe 40%, 40%, 40%. One more time.
40%
of wardrobe is unused. So make sure that 40% is used and make it at least 90% out of it in this year 2021. Thank you. On Mrs. India, we sign off. Pratibha Saushimat, our Tigress of Mrs. India, show director, and she's one energy powerhouse, and me, Deepali Fernandez, signing off.